Amidst escalating political tensions in Haryana, the Congress has sought time to meet the Haryana governor to address the fallout from the withdrawal of support by 3 independent MLAs to the BJP government in the state. Bhupinder Singh Hooda has claimed that the minority BJP dispensation should resign on moral grounds. Even the JJP and the INLD have penned a letter to the governor to call a session of the House and demanded a floor test. The INLD has also demanded that if the floor test does not take place, President's rule must be imposed in the state. The 3 independent MLAs that withdrew support from the Nayab Singh Saini government include Somveer Sanwal, Randhir Singh Golen, Dharampal Gondher. These are the 3 who have withdrawn support. The independent MLAs claim that the BJP government did not address imperative issues like inflation and unemployment. Therefore, they were forced to withdraw support from the BJP government and join hands with the Congress. The fate of Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini hangs in the balance as the kingmaker now appears to be Dushyant Chautala's JJP, which has 10 MLAs but does not support either the BJP or the Congress. In Haryana's 90-member House, 2 seats are vacant after BJP MLAs, including ML Khattar and Ranjit Singh Chautala, resigned from their posts. Now, this is the current state of affairs in Haryana. The Saini government has a strength of 40 MLAs. It also has the support of 6 out of the 7 independents, or rather, it had the support of 6 out of 7 independents, and the lone MLA of the Haryana Lokhit Party, Gopal Kanda. However, of the 6 independent MLAs, 3 withdrew their support, which brings down their number to 43, whereas the halfway mark is 45. On the other hand, the Congress now enjoys the support of 34 MLAs, but it does not have enough strength to form the government. Amid the political tussle, the JJP MLAs met former Haryana CM, who claims that the Congress has not done its calculations right and will not be able to prove its majority. This statement has once again raked the fear of cross-voting taking place.
डेलीगेशन जाएगा हमारे विधायक लेके जाएंगे, हम तो 30 इकट्ठे हैं, वो है कि नहीं है ये देखने वाली बात है। अगर ये बेहतर होता कि 10 के 10 MLA परेड कर देगा उन्होंने, हमारे तो 20 आदमी जाएंगे, कोई डाउट का होगा तो परेड भी करा देंगे हम। दूसरा, ये मौजूदा सरकार जो है वो अब पक्ष में आ गई है। अब नैतिकता के आधार पर इसको तुरंत इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए, राष्ट्रपति शासन करके यह डिमांडिंग फ्रेश इलेक्शन।
मेरे ख्याल से 15-20 दिन हुए हैं। 15-20 दिन ये कांग्रेस के लोग ही अविश्वास प्रस्ताव लेकर के आए थे। पहले विधानसभा में लेकर के आए और फिर जब मैंने विधानसभा में विश्वास मत हासिल किया, 1 महीने का भी कम समय है। और अब जब समय आएगा, क्योंकि अब हाउस चलेगा, हाउस के अंदर जब बात होगी तो जरूर उसको पूरा करेंगे, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं। इनको जल्दी लग रही है मेरे ख्याल से। हमारे साथ जन का विश्वास भी है, पूरा विश्वास है, लोगों का भी विश्वास है। कांग्रेस जन का विश्वास खो चुकी है और वो भी खो चुके हैं।